It's called the HOROW X70 Smart Toilet. It's pretty much top of the line, high class smart toilet, super sick features. But first, we gotta get this old toilet out. It's just a basic toilet, so we're gonna get it out of here. We're gonna get a plug installed for the wall. We're gonna have a plumber friend come by and replace the valves and help us install the toilet. Yeah, so let's go ahead and check out our new smart toilet. I got it loaded up in the garage. We're gonna unbox it out there, see what it looks like, and then get it installed. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, here it is, our new smart toilet. Let's go ahead and get it open. Here we go, baby. First look. Foam. Just add it to the pile. Look at this freaking behemoth. To be honest, a little sad that this one's going in the guest bathroom because it's like way nicer than the Deer Valley. More expensive also. I think this toilet's like $1,600 or something. But it's like all decked out, dude. It's way better than the other one. No ugly tank on top, just full of sensors so you never have to touch anything. There it is. Take a look at that. Ain't she a beaut? Let's grab all these goodies out of here. So here it is. It's already closing automatically somehow. That's kind of cool. I got a big old screen right here. Big old display. No ugly tank. We have a few manual buttons on the side here, on the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna carry this inside safely and carefully, and then get some help installing it. So I'll see you in my bathroom.